today's video we're gonna make slime for beginner, and so let's get started to the video. Okay guys, so you need is a container and a mixing tool, ATM glue, or you can use any white glue, some clear glue, or you can use any water glue, some water, foaming hand soap, some color which is optional, some shaving cream, and lastly slime activator is borax. So first I start with a bowl and a mixing tool, and then I pour the glue into the container, and then I have the glue. After that you can put some clear glue, and then mix it well. After that you can add some water, but don't put it a lot, okay? And then it's time to add your color, and you can use any kind of color you like, which is optional. And stir it well. Yeah. After that, it's time to add your foaming hand soap, and then add some shaving cream. Oh my gosh. And then stir it well. After that, it's time to activate your slime, so I'm choosing borax, and stir until it becomes slime. And here is our slime for beginner. It is very easy to make. Okay guys, so thank you so much for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.